I have 2007 Mini Cooper 1.6 turbo. And today we're gonna change the valve cover. And the reason why we're doing valve cover change is because there's a air leak coming off from this cover right here. I think it's very common for these cars. See this thing right here? It's seized up. So when you start it, there's an air leak coming from the top, and unfortunately it comes with the entire valve cover, so you have to replace it. Okay, first thing we'll do, this is cylinder 1, cylinder number 2, cylinder number 3, and cylinder number 4. To remove this ignition number 1, just pop this. Oh, it's already popped. There's nothing even to it. Cylinder number 3, cylinder number 4. Let's see if I can get this thing out. Forget about the ground on this one. Pop this, the air hose. This is the camshaft sensor right here. Pop that out. Then don't forget about this side. Just press it and then pull that hose. These are, it's like 8. The camshaft sensor, get out of the way. Couple harnesses on the side like this. Let's get it out. Then 10 bolts all around. But this one's got to be in the middle because this is where the ground is. Well, you can put it anywhere as long as you can put the ground. That's good. The bolts in the middle are longer. No, they're all the same. They're all the same length. Okay, so total this one is way longer than the rest of the bolts, so I'm assuming this one is also longer. I can't get it out. I mean, if we could just get a flathead screw or a plier, just gonna like straighten it out, should be fine. See, so the two bolts here are longer than the rest of the valve cover bolts. I think I found out why they destroyed it. Somebody replaced the valve cover gaskets, and they thought they had to remove this, so they had to force it, and then it cracked, and there you go. So if ever you're replacing the valve cover gasket, do not take it out here. Just take out the entire cover. This is part of the valve cover. It's pre-built. So if you remove this portion, the top portion, you're gonna create a vacuum leak, and then you'll be having a turbo leak. Well, you're gonna create a turbo leak basically. So before you put the new valve cover, I always like to clean this area. There's nothing wrong with cleaning the area where we're gonna install the parts. Alright, so this is the entire valve cover. We are going to install the entire valve cover. Alright, it has seals.
See you again. I got another issue.
Hey, what's up?
Now the back tires blown.
So the new valve cover that we got, this one, well, it has this. I don't know, like the old valve cover does not have this portion, and this one came with it, but it does have a plug-in, so just plug it in and it's gonna pretty much close the system. So make sure you plug this one in. Just make sure that you put the bolts, you don't drop it. Then the sensor, put the sensor back here. This is the, if you want to replace the crank sensor or the camshaft sensor, it's right here on the side. The bolt for the middle is the one with the weird looking. It's the two-sided one. Gotta make sure that everything is hand threaded before we start using the impact gun to make the bolts snug. Which means you have to control your pulse when trying to make the bolts snug. Just tighten it to make it snug. Keep in mind the valve cover is plastic, so we gotta be careful when turning it. Alright, now that all the bolts are snug, you can tighten them down. Just make sure you don't forget about the ground. Plug in the ground. Plug in the crankshaft. Tighten this one down. This is 1/8. This is also a okay. Now install all the spark plug, or I mean all the ignition coils. Then since the turbo leak is causing a lot of it's giving us a lot of codes, we're gonna reset all the codes and then start the car and let it run, let it idle, and then we're gonna go for a test drive. But yeah, this is how you replace the valve cover on a 2007 Mini Cooper 1.6 turbo. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, write it down in the comment section, man. I hope that this video gave you guys confidence to work in your car. Check out all my other playlists. Do work on all kind of cars. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.